Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is June 26th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla, Palantir, Nvidia, and some other stocks from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Okay, Tesla is down $15.55. That's 6.06%. Closed at 241.05. Post-market seem to be down by a further 85 cents. Let's look at what this looks like on the chart. We have been outside of the bullish channel for some time, a couple of days, and we were going sideways. We had a support at 246.30, but the real support, in my opinion, is at 238.11. We have this really nice touch right here at 238.11. This is the support that we have. So we are technically still into the congestion zone. I cannot say that it's looking good. We have a red candle. We have a long wick at the top, no wick at the bottom. So this is just falling down. This is falling straight down. We could still be recovering above 238.11. This has happened in the past. So we cannot say right now that we are outside of the congestion zone. We are close to it, but we cannot say that we are outside. Let's take a look at the 1 hour chart. So the first candle of the day, we opened at 250 and came up quite good, but then we were squished down. Second hour, this is when it fell through. So 250 on the 1 hour, which was an interesting support, was broken right there. So right then and there, with no stochastic. So on the 1 hour chart, so this was pretty much a sell at this point right here. And then on the 1 hour chart, we also had a little bit of support right here at 242.05 and 241.27, and we broke both of them. This is not looking too good. And now we are left at our 238.11. If it breaks 238.11, sorry, but this is a goner for now. Let's go back on the chart. Again, if we go below 238.11, to me, it's a goner. Then stochastic is at 62. If we break tomorrow, stochastic is going to be below 60. To me, on the daily chart, this is a goner. It was going up. It stopped going up. It could stay in the congestion zone. If it breaks the congestion zone, it's an out. It's an out. And then we'll see where it wants to bounce. It's possible that it bounces on this one right here. It's possible. Nothing's impossible. It's possible that it bounces here. So this is why maybe I would not short this one too soon. I would wait until we clear this. If we clear this bullish support, then I would start thinking about shorting this one. But because this is so close here, I would just wait a little bit. So in terms of the indicators, stochastic at 62, we have our MACD breakover bearish. RSI is coming way down too. It's no longer overbought. DMI is still positive because DMI is looking at the broad move. This is still pretty bullish because we started at around 160. Yeah, tomorrow is going to be very important to check this. So apparently Tesla fell today because Goldman Sachs became the third Wall Street firm in a week to drop their bull rating on the electric vehicle stock. The cut by Goldman Sachs followed recent downgrades on Tesla by Morgan Stanley and Barclays. Goldman Sachs moved to a neutral rating from buy on its view that the Tesla share price now better reflects a positive long-term view of the automaker's growth potential and competitive positioning. But this is pretty much bullish because Tesla has fantastic growth outlook, but they have to mention a reason. Let's take a look at some Tesla news. So Tesla Cybertruck showcases rear wheel steering inside parking garage. This is not any parking garage. This is the Los Angeles Peterson Auto Museum. I went there sometimes in March. If you are in the LA area, you need to go see that museum. My son and I saw wonderful cars there, and there is a Tesla section that has the Cybertruck, the Semi, a Model Y that crashed into a wall so that you can see all of the insides. This is a really nice exhibit, the Tesla exhibit. You should take a look at this. Look at this video here. We can see that the rear wheel, wow. Yeah, we can see that the rear wheel is really going in the opposite direction to where the front wheels are pointing to. This is a great shot about this. This is a great shot. And I don't know if I've talked about this news here, but on June 23rd, Tesla unblocks Giga Texas windows, letting drones peek into Cybertruck production line. I think Tesla is doing this on purpose so that they can get some hype from the drones seeing the Cybertruck being built. So I think it's pretty smart. If it's true that they have done this on purpose, I think it's pretty smart. Let's take a look at Palantir. So Palantir is following our downward channel. Yes, it is going sideways. So right now we are down 9 cents at 13.94. And look at this perfection right here. Super long wick at the top. And look at where this wick has stopped right smack on our support at 14.42. So this is telling me that we try to go higher, but we're squished down. So this is not good news when we have a long wick on a candle and the body of the candle is just below like this. This is not good news. Stick is at 33. This is weakening and we don't know yet until where it's going to go down. So it could be going sideways a little bit or even a little bit higher, but this should be continuing in this downward channel. Nvidia, this is going even faster. So this is going even faster than this downward channel. And we lost stochastic over 60. This thing is going down also. We just closed just below 406.62. We closed at 406.32. And the post-market, we are down by 65 more cents. We could almost treat this as a break of 406.62. It's not the biggest break in the world, but looking at the post-market right here, I'm betting that this is going down. So next stop should be something like 374.71. Let's take a look at the VIX. So VIX is up 0.81 at 14.24. So VIX is coming up a little bit, still well below 15. And we see stochastic coming higher and higher. And we have a MACD bullish breakover, and we see the indicators are starting to turn. So I wouldn't worry too much until we break 15. Let's say if we break 15, then things are going to look a lot worse for the stock market. QQQ continuing its way down. So we had the horizontal support at 357.63, and we have almost broken that. Dow Jones, this is a sideways day. We are hanging on tight on 33.638. We'll see if we break this. We have lost stochastic over 60. This is not helping for sure. S&P 500, we are still in the bullish channel, but still a down day. And stochastic is at 62. We are seeing a real weakening in the market. Real weakening. Make sure you are ready to pull the trigger soon to get out if you are still in Tesla and all of the other ones. Just be ready. Nasdaq Composite coming down also, lost stochastic over 60. Gold going back up a little bit. This is basically a sideways thing. This is not ready to go bullish again. We would need to break this downward resistance and possibly this horizontal resistance with a stochastic over 60. So we are not there yet. We are far from it. Silver, this is a pullback right here. We should not get too excited. We need to break this to have, well, to stop this bullish move at least. And then I would wait for this for a break at $8 and then stochastic over 60. So this is not ready. Bitcoin cannot break 39.38. We are caving in. We have been caving in during the past 3 days. We still have a good stochastic, so maybe we just need to be patient a little bit. Ripple is going nowhere. No stochastic going nowhere. It's still above 0.477. It's barely hanging on there. USDX going sideways today. No bullish move yet. NBM will last stochastic over 60, and we basically lost. It's not the biggest break again, but we just broke 36 cents. So this could be going lower. So we could be getting some new opportunity to get back into this one. Well, thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.